how's it going? As you may know, I'm Katie and I'm back with the AFI DIY Lab today to show you how to make swirled melt and pour soap. This is a really fun and easy way to make beautiful soap without having to use a cold process method. Hit that like button to let us know how excited you are for today's project and we can get started. I have my melt and pour base measured out and cut into cubes in my mixing container right here. By chopping it up beforehand, it'll make it melt a lot more evenly. You can use just about any base for this project, whether it be transparent or opaque. To begin, I'm going to pop this container into the microwave so we can melt it down. Heat it in intervals for 30 seconds and stir in between each interval to prevent the soap from boiling. While it's melting down, we can prep our colors. I have 2 pouring pots here which we'll be using to get the colors ready in. We'll be using shimmery mica powders, but you can also use any other liquid soap dye or any other skin-safe pigment powders you'd like. I picked out these colors because I think they'd match perfectly with our fragrance of choice. Stay tuned to find out what fragrance that is. Now we're going to go ahead and grab our mica powders and we're going to measure out 1/3 teaspoon of them in the respective pouring pots. So this pouring pot is going to be our pink one. These colors are so vibrant. Oh my gosh. Okay. Now that we have that in there, we're going to go ahead and grab our 99% isopropyl alcohol and we're going to pour in 1 teaspoon of that. So here's a half and 1 more. And here's a half and 1 more. Perfect. This will help the micas blend uniformly into the soap without leaving those little specks throughout. I'm going to go ahead and stir that up. That looks good. Now I'm going to stir up the pink one, and after we get this stirred up, we're going to go ahead and check on our soap base. Cool. All right, my soap base has completely liquefied now, so let's add in our fragrance. Today I'll be using AFI's Lemon Drop. This is already pre-measured out, so I'm just going to pour it all in. That definitely complements the pink and yellow. Here at AFI, we have thousands of fragrances for you to choose from to put in your soap. It smells good, like kind of tangy, but like refreshing. I don't know. Okay, now that we have this blended up, we're gonna go ahead and pour these into the 2 pouring spouts. It's okay if they're not perfect, we're just gonna eyeball it. Okay, now that we have that in there, we're gonna give it a good stir, just so all the color can mix in thoroughly. Now that we have these completely mixed up, it's time to swirl them. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab our trays, and we're gonna pour these in at the same time to give it a good swirl effect. Now that we have our soaps in the molds, we're gonna go ahead and grab some isopropyl alcohol in a spray bottle and give it a good spritz to get any of those bubbles out of the way. This will really help give these soap bars a good clean look. Now our bars just need to cool. I like to leave them for 24 hours to make sure they've completely cooled before unmolding, but they can typically solidify within 4 to 6 hours. Try not to speed up this process by putting the bars into the fridge or the freezer. This will make them especially prone to glycerin sweat, which can impact the appearance of the bars. I'll be right back with y'all when these are fully cooled and ready to unmold. Let's see how they turned out. Oh my gosh. They are perfect. This effect is so easy to achieve and it truly makes one-of-a-kind bars. Try experimenting with different color combinations and fragrances for a whole line of swirly, sparkly soap. Each bar costs us under $1 to make, meaning it can be sold wholesale for $1 to $2 and retail for $4 to $6. If you want to see more soap tutorials, whether it be melt and pour, cold process, and more, subscribe to our channel and ring that bell icon to be notified next time we post. We hope you enjoyed today's video and don't forget to drop a comment and check out our socials linked down below to get in touch with AFI. As always, I'm Katie and I can't wait to see you on the next one. Bye for now.